Attorney at law Derick Sylvester has officially said goodbye to the Grenada Bar Association as he turned in his resignation on Sunday. The former president of the bar ended his tenure on December 31st and will be moving to Belize on December 8th to take up duties as a High Court judge there. King's Counsel Ruggles Ferguson said the move by Sylvester comes after a career of over 20 years in the legal profession, but he is confident that his colleagues' experience as an attorney would have prepared him for his new duties.
Because for him personally, he's moving on to new experiences as a judge of the High Court of Belize. He has not been a judge before. He has had about 20 years experience as an active practitioner at the bar, and it's therefore a new experience for him. And again, too, it's a positive for Belize. Belize has opened up much more to taking judges and other legal officers from outside of Belize.
Ferguson said that Sylvester will be missed as he was a great asset within the Grenada Bar Association.
Well, Mr. Sylvester was a very energetic, enthusiastic president, very committed to the Bar Association. It is always said that one country's loss is another country's gain. I always prefer to put it in terms of, general gain. And I'm sure that we will have new people coming forward, and they, of course, have big shoes to fill for Mr. Sylvester, but he has continued the tradition of the Grenada Bar.
When asked who will be the successor of Sylvester as president of the bar, Ferguson said that the lawyer's resignation came just a month away from the association's next annual election. In the interim, the vice president will act in the position.
So what is expected to happen is that Mr. Francis Paul, who serves as vice president of the Bar Association, he will become the acting president until elections are held, more likely than not before the end of January 2024. And at those elections, all positions will be up for re-election, not just the post of president.
In his letter of resignation, Sylvester reminded his colleagues of their commitment to fairness in the practice of law. He said, and I quote, "As we navigate the complex legal landscape, let us not forget our shared responsibility to humanity. The practice of law is not merely a profession. It is a calling to be the guardians of justice, the champions of the vulnerable, and the architect of a fair society. In the spirit of our shared commitment to philanthropy, let us remain steadfast in our belief that we are our brothers and sisters' keepers. Let our actions speak volumes about our dedication to the well-being of others, especially those who are less fortunate and in need of legal advocacy." Rena Thomas, GBN News.